Welcome to our channel. Today, we're bringing you some inspiring entryway decorating ideas to transform your home's first impression. Let's dive in. First up, consider adding a statement piece like a large mirror. Not only does it make your entryway feel more spacious, but it also adds a touch of elegance. Pair it with a sleek console table for a cohesive look. Next, think about functionality. Use stylish storage solutions like woven baskets for shoes or umbrellas, and wall hooks for keys and bags. This keeps your entryway tidy and organized. Creating a seating area can be both practical and stylish. A small bench with comfortable cushions provides a place to sit while putting on shoes, and adds a welcoming touch. Don't forget the decorative touches. A vase of fresh flowers, candles, or a decorative tray can make your entryway feel inviting. Choose items that reflect your personal style. A beautiful rug or mat can define the space and add warmth. Opt for patterns or colors that complement the rest of your decor. Plus, they help keep dirt and moisture from being tracked into your home. Good lighting is essential. A stylish pendant light or wall sconces can illuminate your entryway beautifully. You could also add a table lamp on your console for a cozy ambience. The entryway of a home is much more than a transitional space. It is the initial encounter, the first impression that sets the tone for the entire living experience. Despite its modest size, the entryway holds significant importance in the realm of home design. It is the gateway that welcomes guests, the space that greets homeowners after a long day, and an area that subtly conveys the style and personality of the inhabitants. Thus, investing time and thought into the decor of this often overlooked area can profoundly impact the overall ambience and functionality of a home. Firstly, the entryway is a critical component in creating a welcoming atmosphere. This small space is the first area that visitors and residents see upon entering a home, and it can significantly influence their perception. A well-decorated entryway can evoke a sense of warmth and hospitality, making guests feel immediately at ease. Simple elements such as a charming welcome mat, a beautifully framed mirror, or a vase of fresh flowers can transform an entryway into an inviting space. These touches not only enhance the visual appeal but also communicate a sense of care and thoughtfulness, suggesting that the homeowner values the comfort of their guests. Moreover, the entryway serves a practical function that is essential to the organization of a household. Given its role as the point of transition between the outdoors and the interior, the entryway can help manage the flow of items coming in and out of the home. Incorporating functional decor such as coat racks, shoe storage, and umbrella stands can significantly reduce clutter and improve efficiency. For instance, a stylish console table with drawers can provide a convenient spot for keys, mail, and other essentials, ensuring that these items are easily accessible while maintaining a tidy appearance. By strategically planning the decor and storage solutions, homeowners can create a space that is both aesthetically pleasing and highly functional. In addition to enhancing functionality and creating a welcoming atmosphere, the entryway offers an opportunity to make a strong design statement. As the initial point of contact with a home's interior, the entryway sets the stage for the overall design narrative. Whether the decor leans towards minimalist, rustic, contemporary, or eclectic styles, the entryway can reflect and amplify the chosen aesthetic. For example, a grand chandelier or a bold piece of artwork can serve as a focal point, capturing attention and hinting at the design elements found throughout the rest of the home. This cohesive approach not only strengthens the visual impact, but also ensures a seamless transition from the entryway to other living spaces. Additionally, entryway decor can significantly impact the psychological well-being of the inhabitants. A clutter-free and aesthetically pleasing entryway can foster a sense of calm and order, which is particularly important at the beginning and end of each day. Walking into a well-organized and beautifully decorated space can elevate one's mood and provide a sense of stability and comfort. On the contrary, a neglected and chaotic entryway can contribute to feelings of stress and disarray. Therefore, by thoughtfully curating the entryway decor, homeowners can create an environment that promotes positive emotions and overall well-being. Cultural significance and traditions. Across various cultures, the entryway holds unique significance and traditions. In many Asian cultures, for instance, the entryway, or genkan in Japan, is a space where shoes are removed and guests are greeted with a bow. This practice emphasizes cleanliness and respect. Incorporating elements that reflect cultural traditions can add a layer of personal meaning to the entryway decor. For example, using traditional furnishings, artwork, or color schemes can celebrate heritage and create a culturally rich environment that resonates with family values. Psychological impact. Entryway decor can significantly impact the psychological well-being of the inhabitants. A clutter-free and aesthetically pleasing entryway can foster a sense of calm and order, which is particularly important at the beginning and end of each day. Walking into a well-organized and beautifully decorated space can elevate one's mood and provide a sense of stability and comfort. On the contrary, a neglected and chaotic entryway can contribute to feelings of stress and disarray. Therefore, by thoughtfully curating the entryway decor, homeowners can create an environment that promotes positive emotions and overall well-being. Sustainability and innovation. In recent years, there has been a growing trend towards sustainability in home decor, and entryways are no exception. Incorporating eco-friendly materials and practices in the entryway can contribute to a greener lifestyle. For instance, using recycled or reclaimed wood for furniture, choosing low VOC paints, and opting for natural fiber rugs can reduce the environmental impact. Additionally, smart home technology can be integrated into the entryway for added convenience and efficiency. Smart locks, motion sensor lighting, and automated climate control can enhance the functionality of the entryway while promoting energy conservation. Lighting and ambience. Good lighting is essential for creating an inviting and functional entryway. Natural light can be maximized with the use of glass doors or strategically placed windows. For artificial lighting, consider a combination of overhead fixtures and accent lights. Pendant lights, wall sconces, or table lamps can add warmth and character to the space. Lighting not only enhances visibility but also highlights key decor elements, creating a balanced and aesthetically pleasing environment. Personalization and seasonal decor. Personalizing the entryway with family photos, artwork, or unique decor pieces can make the space feel truly your own. This personalization reflects the homeowner's tastes and adds a layer of intimacy to the entryway. Additionally, seasonal decor can keep the entryway fresh and exciting throughout the year. Simple changes such as a wreath for autumn, festive decorations for holidays, or fresh flowers for spring can keep the space dynamic and inviting. With these simple yet effective ideas, you can create an entryway that's both functional and welcoming. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more home decor tips and inspiration. See you next time. In conclusion, the entryway holds a vital place in home design, far exceeding its modest spatial footprint. It is a space that marries functionality with aesthetic appeal, serving as a welcoming threshold, an organizational hub, and a design statement. By paying attention to the decor of the entryway, homeowners can enhance the first impression of their home, improve daily efficiency, and create a harmonious living environment. As such, the importance of entryway decor should not be underestimated, and thoughtful design choices in this area can have a lasting impact on the home's overall ambience and functionality.